landed on the carpet. Are you ready?
Right. And there's some potatoes we're not having tonight. We're having tonight.
We are having tonight, yeah. Can you put them in the kitchen?
You ready?
I need to get the hammer. Hang on, let me get the hammer.
Where's the hammer?
And you need a that's not safe there, Sean.
It is safe there.
Get,
You just don't hit it off.
get
like
that
an
ladder.
idiot.
Get that ladder. That's what. Look.
Why do I need a ladder?
Because you've got to stand up top.
Wow. Superb.
I'm ready.
No, I'm not.
So are you ready? Or should I get some, do you have any glasses? Do you have any glasses? Some glasses.
There's some glasses in here.
Can you bring them here then?
Safety glasses.
Have you got some? Have
Um,
you got glasses as well?
Do you guys want to watch?
certainly do. Before you start,
Yeah.
actually no, it's alright.
Come on.
Mum,
I'm going to be doing it now, Mum.
Right, but I'm not going
do you want to watch though for fun?
I'm watching, but I don't want the camera. Oh, well, I better watch out.
Yay! Woohoo! Sean, you naughty boy! Sean, who told you to do that? Wow! That's it, get it.
Keep your head.
Wow!
The scrap roll's coming.
I could probably deal with that, Sean. Unless you're happy to do it. Oh, gloves.
Woo! Woohoo!
Hang on, pause.
On to the game.
Pause.
Oh, that came out from here. Yes, sir. Don't do any more just a
Be
moment.
careful, your shoes are going to have glass in it.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
I never thought of that. It's really the hand.
That's all.
No! Hang on, pause. No, touch the camera.
No. Don't get that.
Oh, that doesn't dare look. Wow.
Wow.
Do you have any more windows I can smash?
Not really, but. Oh,
well
done.
done.
Yeah, if you can do that all the way round.
Woohoo! Once a window, once not.
Woohoo! That one bit came in. Landed on my foot, John.
Really?
Ah!
Wow.
No, careful, little bits of
Mum doesn't dare look. Look at Mum's face. Look.
No, but it's dangerous.
No! No!
And nobody had bare feet for a long time.
Out of interest, yes, well done, Sean.
Is that good or bad?
Yes, good. See if you can pull it off. Don't worry if you can't. Knock it just.
Are you
Wow!
going to knock that long piece as well off?
Right, out of interest, what happens if you hit the crossbar in the middle? Okay, not to worry.
Right in the middle. You've got to get that bar in.
Wow!
You're going to...
I might have to whack that with a sledge.
What? That whole line we
The
don't want?
crossbar,
Be
yeah.
careful because it's still got glass on the sides.
Okay, don't worry.
Oh.
So,
So right in that corner, that's it, yeah. Hey, that's good.
Hey,
It makes
that's
a hole.
already a... Then that cross piece comes down, or you could saw
rather
it. Could
messy
you,
down there.
could you saw it?
Wow, look
Maybe
at
you-
that, eh?
Look at it all.
Can't argue with that.
Wow, it's all come out.
You could show Gore Road what we've been doing.
Look at it.
Track sheet.
Okay? Yay!
Yay! That's a
Yay! Right, now me and Mum will clear that up now.
What about
That
sawing?
was fun, wasn't it?
Are you going to saw the thing?
That was awfully fun.
Alright.
Do you have fun?
You did.